everyone, welcome back to page Banti Minjai's Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna share you 5 vocabulary words from lesson 30 that talk about going to the doctor. Are you ready? Let's get started. So in the first word is synagogue. Synagogue. Synagogue spelled S-Y-N-A-G-O-G-U-E. Synagogue. For example, a synagogue is a Jewish house of worship. Synagogue. Word number 2 is just. Just. Just spelled J-U-S-T. Just. For example, they had just finished their dinner when the phone rang. Just. Word number 3 is cure. Cure. Cure spelled C-U-R-E. Cure. For example, I hope the medicine will cure him. Cure. Word number 4 is amazing. Amazing. Amazing spelled A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. Amazing. For example, it's amazing how a person can change. Amazing. And the last word is blind. Blind. Blind spelled B-L-I-N-D. Blind. For example, I took a blind friend for a ride on my tandem bicycle. Blind. So everyone please repeat after me. Synagogue. Synagogue. Just. Just. Cure. Cure. Amazing. Amazing. Blind. Blind. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for your learning English with me today. And then if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.